Hi everyone, welcome Vancouver Toastmasters and Toastmasters of BC, Canada. My name is Geoff Peters and I'm a senior software developer at SAP Canada, and I'm also a member of the Best Run Toastmasters Club, which meets at SAP Canada, now virtually on Zoom. The thing I like the most about using YouTube as a medium for communication is the power for anyone to create a video that can have a big impact. My favorite videos are ones that teach people something, how to learn a new skill, how to fix a problem around their home, or learn something such as public speaking. So we can reach out to each other through YouTube and other mediums. It's really amazing what we can do to communicate with each other using the power of video. I look forward to volunteering more to help the PR team of District 96 and working with all the other talented members. And see you at Toastmasters very soon. Bye-bye for now.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.